Hey champ, welcome back to Prosperity Tutoring. Today we're diving into some awesome math concepts that'll help you shine in your classes. We're going to break it down step by step and make it super easy to understand. So grab a paper, a pencil, and a calculator, and let's get started. Now in the previous video I talked about adding and subtracting. However, there are other operations that we may have missed, like multiplying and dividing. So let's start with multiplication. For example, we have a fraction like 1/2. And instead of using an X symbol for multiplication, we're going to use a dot. You'll see this when you get to higher grades. So let's say we use 1/2 times 2/4. Now I'm gonna show you just how simple this is. You're gonna feel ridiculous when you see how simple this is. For multiplying fractions, all you have to do is multiply the numerators straight across and the denominators straight across. No joke, no lie, it's really that simple. And so let's multiply them straight across. 2 times 1 is 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. Hold on, there's something we need to do here. What is the greatest common factor of 2 and 8? Well, 2 multiplies into 2, right? And 2 also multiplies into 8. Can 3 multiply into 2? Can 4 multiply into 2? So on and so forth? No. So the greatest common factor of 2 and 8 is 2. So what we simply need to do is, in order to simplify the fraction, we take the numerator and divide it by the greatest common factor, and then we take the denominator and divide it by the same greatest common factor. So now it becomes, our new answer becomes 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. And this is our simplified answer. Now, if you're wondering, how do you make 1/4 out of multiplying 1/2 by 2/4? How does that look visually? Well, let's take that half of a pizza, right? We're going to take that half of a pizza and multiply it by 2/4. Well, what are we really multiplying it by? Can we simplify this 2/4 also? Well, what is 2/4 simplified? 2/4 simplified by the greatest common factor of 2 would come out to 1/2. So we're basically taking half of a pizza and splitting it into another half, which would give us 1/4 of a pizza. So we talked about multiplying, right? Now let's talk about dividing. Now this is easy, but it's a little technical, so you got to be careful. So now let's say you have a problem like 3/4 divided by 5/6. How about that? There is a technique that we use called keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Well, what do you keep? You're going to keep the first fraction. Then you're going to change the division into multiplication, and then you're going to flip the second fraction. Keep, change, flip. So what this is going to turn into is, this is going to become 3/4 times 6/5. And now, just like before, we can multiply straight across. So 3 times 6 is 18. And 4 times 5 is 20. Now, are we done? This is our answer, right? But what else do we need to do to get a more correct answer? We need to simplify. And in order to simplify, we need to find the greatest common factor between 18 and 20. Well, 18 can multiply to get 18. 18 times 1 is 18. But 18 does not multiply into 20. So 18 is not the greatest common factor. So for the sake of time, the greatest common factor between 18 and 20 is 2. So in order to simplify, we'll take 18 and divide it by 2. And then we'll take 20 and divide it by 2. And that will give us 18 divided by 2 is 9. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 18/20ths simplified will give us 9/10. And this is the simplest form.
That's a wrap, champ. Hope you got something out of it. Keep practicing, ask questions, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Failure is education. Success is graduation. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like. If you know someone who could use this video, share it with them. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something you'd like to cover next. If you'd like a virtual tutoring session, scan the QR code above or visit prosperunlimited.com/tutoring.
Become a member of the Bard Society, the book club of Prosperity U LLC. Our stories come alive with wealth, inspiration, and positivity. The mission of Prosperity U LLC. Explore our vast categories like self-help, dating, romance murder mystery, and sci-fi action thrillers. Visit prosperunlimited.com and click on books. Become a member, become Prosperity.
Join Kev Prosper as he beats up the bad guys, slays the dragon, and saves the princess. Prosperity Gaming is the new channel of Prosperity U LLC. Watch, follow, subscribe to Prosperity Gaming with Kev Prosper.
Be sure to shop Amazon with Prosperity U LLC. Link in the description.
Ha. Hey yo, P, do that freaky jam on the beat. Busy with that butter shit, that bone feed. Did you double do that song thing? Flicky chicky with some butter, so that phone thing. If you cheeky cheddar chuck, I get her own cheese. And so chicken with that head or get something that won't be with the official with that whole skis. Bloody feet, each other, wish that with that long
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. That don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the